Evaluate x inverse tangent x dx by parts. So the parts formula says antiderivative of u dv is equal to uv minus antiderivative v du. So let's let u equal the inverse tangent of x and dv equal x dx. Then du is 1 over 1 plus x squared from our derivative formula of inverse tan, multiplied by dx. V is equal to a half x squared. Plugging into our parts formula, we get integral of x inverse tan x dx equals uv, which is 1 half x squared inverse tangent x minus integral of v, which is 1 half x squared, times du, which is dx over 1 plus x squared. So this gives us x squared inverse tangent x all over 2 minus 1 half integral x squared dx over 1 plus x squared. Now, if we stop and look at this for a moment, you'll notice that the degree of the numerator and denominator match. We'll have to do a little bit of division, and then we should be able to integrate. So, let's do our division up here. X squared plus 1 divided into x squared goes exactly once. And when we multiply, we get x squared plus 1. Subtracting, we're left with minus 1. So we get minus 1 over x squared plus 1. Now, when we plug that in, minus 1 half integral 1 minus 1 over x squared plus 1 dx, and both pieces we can now integrate and everything works out fine. Final answer, x squared inverse tangent x over 2, and this is going to be x. We're going to get minus 1 half times the integral of 1, which is x, so we can slip that right into our numerator. And minus 1 half times the antiderivative of 1 over x squared plus 1, and so we get another inverse tangent, inverse tan x, and it's minus times minus, which is plus 1 half the inverse tangent x, and we can't forget about our friend, plus c.